Welcome to week number 3. Week number 3, how do decision-making and planning impact management? This is a key intersection in our chapters, or our weeks, I should say, is now we're going to start making application, understand cause and effect, which is a very difficult thing because you're trying to look into the future. Just because you assume the effect is going to be X doesn't mean it's going to be X. It might be Y. There's things called unintended consequences, which is what we're trying to, as much as we can, which is not possible to completely eliminate, but avoid. So imagine you're an architect designing a skyscraper. Every decision and plan you make will impact the structure's stability and functionality. Similarly, in management, decisions and plans you formulate can significantly affect an organization's success, especially over the long term. Decision-making and planning are at the heart of effective management. This week, you will explore different decision-making techniques and importance of planning and control. Control is like feedback, so reading the results. You'll learn how to make informed decisions and develop robust organizational plans. So again, as you did in week 1 and 2, make sure you read the feedback that you've received from assignments. And typically they're about, or have to deal with, formatting. So by this time you should have that down to a science, and you know exactly what's being expected of you. So we'll go over the assignments in detail here in a minute, but you can kind of see how it's laid out. There's a reflection, a scenario, decision-based discussion. There's a couple videos. You're going to read chapters 2 and 17 for this week, so that should be one of the very first things that you do. And then there's a couple videos, 7 decision-making step process, or 7-step process, and then organizational control and management. Again, very, very pointed, very direct usages for usage for your assignments and your understanding of management. And then there's a week 3 article analysis, and that's a little bit different assignment that's going to come, but we'll talk about that here in a minute in the details regarding assignments. But this should get you going. Remember, now we're going to start making decisions. We've got a strategic view, or at least understanding of different types of strategic planning tools from SWOT and PEST and so on. Now we're going to make application because we're trying to maximize our competitive advantages. So look forward to reading your work, and again, make sure you do all the background here before you begin your assignments. Thank you.